I just got oil all over back here. I put my oil pan back here and somehow it leaked a bunch of oil over here. Welcome back, JDM fam. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you guys haven't already. It helps me out a lot. Now, in today's video, we're going to be cleaning up my lifted RD7 2nd Gen CRV. It hasn't been cleaned for at least a month or two, and to be honest, I usually just clean the front up here. The rear and the back seats rarely get cleaned. I think the last time I cleaned the whole vehicle was, I think, January, so it's been a little while. And I usually don't make videos like this, but I thought I would be upfront and just show you guys what the CRV looks like after my family's been in here. And also, we did recently go on a small road trip just a week ago, so the CRV is even dirtier than usual. So I'm going to show you guys what the interior of the CRV looks like. It's a warm day of sunny and 88 out here in Phoenix, Arizona, so if I end up sweating by the end of this video, that's why. Okay, so we got the back hatch window open, letting some air in. Gotta love SUVs and hatchbacks because having 5 doors, having that extra door or window in the back really helps with airflow, as well as there's just a lot more space for storage. So the lifted CRV is a little dusty and dirty on the outside. Definitely need to wax this wrap and get it ready for the super hot summers here. But let's check out the interior, see what it looks like, see how dirty it is. Okay, so this is the driver's side. Definitely not the cleanest. I do need to do a steam cleaning video where I just steam clean these seats because I doubt these seats were ever cleaned, or at least definitely not for the last decade, because I have owned this CRV coming up to 10 years. So the seat does look a little bit dirty right here, but these seats really do hold up well. They're great quality as well. So mats are looking really dirty. One thing I did want to mention is that these mats were very cheap. I just wanted to get rid of the Honda mats. Definitely extremely dirty. I don't remember the last time I cleaned them. Floor's looking pretty dirty too. Gonna need to clean up in here. And if you guys have dogs in your family, you know that dog hair, it goes everywhere. And my dogs have been in here many times. I am going to be getting rid of these mats. They're extremely cheap and not the best quality, but I did want some all-weather mats that I could just throw in and not care about. And they are doing their job because you could see right where the feet go. They're extremely dirty and they definitely need to be cleaned today. So this is the driver's side, not too bad. Now, I do wipe down the center console every once in a while, so that is pretty clean. The dash is usually dusty, so dash is gonna need to be wiped down. I would like to armor all it as well. Also, I did want to mention, if you guys have armrests in your car that become like all matted and really dirty and ugly, all you need is a damp rag and you just wipe it back and forth. You can also use solutions. There's different products you can buy, but what I usually do is just get a damp rag and just wipe it really well. Seems to clean them up pretty good. Now, I do need to come in here and do that again, but I did it a while ago and they do look a lot better because this one was really matted and dark and dirty looking. Looks much better now. And the passenger side looks about the same. Seats are definitely holding up just like with the driver, which is a good thing because driver's usually way worse. And it does have this fake leather piece that does protect it right there and on the back right there, where those are usually tear spots in high mileage vehicles. This thing's just about to hit 200,000 and it's over 20 years old, which is just crazy. So seats look great. Like I said, floor needs to be cleaned up and the mats have a bunch of gravel, need to be cleaned up. We're going to be doing that in this video. And here's the rear, the dirtiest part of my CRV. Like I said, last time I cleaned up in here was January. So the seats, I've had multiple spills in here from my kids over the last 10 years. So these could benefit from a deep cleaning, steam cleaning or something. But otherwise, I mean, they look great. Now, These mats, just like with the front, probably worse though, look really dirty and disgusting. There was a bunch of gravel back here before the last time I cleaned it, and I just took out the mats and shook them off. So these are going to need to be scrubbed up too. So I'm going to do that in this video, as well as vacuum back here. But I mean, this is embarrassing. It's really disgusting. The mats are just bad in here. And after I clean these, obviously I will keep them for a little longer, but I do plan on replacing these, and I do plan on cleaning the seats as well. So that's the back. It's not the worst, but it is a lot dirtier than the rest of my CR-V. And the very back is pretty dirty as well. I am going to be cleaning back here as well, and I need to scrub up this mat back here because I just got oil all over back here. I put my oil pan back here and somehow it leaked a bunch of oil over here. I'm really sad about that. The car stunk like dirty oil for like 3 or 4 days. So I needed to clean this anyways, but it just looks even worse with the oil stain in here, and I'm not putting groceries back here. That is just nasty. So that's going to get cleaned as well, but I don't think I'll have enough time to do that in this video, but I will be doing that very soon. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is take out all of the mats, put them in the yard, shake them off, and then start scrubbing them. So all I'm going to be using in this video to clean these mats is some mild soap and a brush. Hopefully most of the dirt and the all the stains come out, but it shouldn't be too difficult, so let's get started with that first. Okay, as you can see, like I said, the mats are doing their job, protecting from spills and water, mud, all of that stuff. So we're going to be using some all-purpose cleaner. This is non-toxic. It removes grease, dirt, and grime. This is not made for mats, and I doubt it's made for anything for cars, but I am using it for the mats. Like I said in the car, these mats are really dirty. Don't remember the last time I cleaned them. Gonna get these cleaned up. I'll show you guys what they look like right afterwards. Like I said, using the all-purpose cleaner with a brush, just gonna clean them up after I spray them. Mats are done, looking basically brand new. One reason why I haven't washed these mats too often is because these were supposed to be temporary, and I just ended up keeping them for a while. These aren't the best mats, but I mean, they have been doing their job, and I do plan, like I said, to buy new ones very soon, but that all-purpose cleaner really did the trick. They look great. So now let's go over to the CR-V and start vacuuming. And we're finally done. Wipe down the dash, the gauge cluster, the steering wheel, stereo, vents, all of the door panels, including the center console. Re-wipe that down again just to be sure that that was clean. And now the mats are in. They look a lot cleaner and a lot better, and the carpet looks great as well. Everything looks great and a lot better, but in the future, sometime in the future, I will be steam cleaning the carpets and the seats. So that's the front. Looks a lot better. Dash looks great. All of the surfaces are clean now. Seats look great as well. I did vacuum them really quick. Let's check out the back now. The mats really really did come out looking way cleaner, almost like new. And these mats are doing their job. Even though I do plan on getting rid of them, I am happy that they do look much cleaner. I do like that these mats kind of have little walls where they just keep all of the dirt and gravel in the center as well. So my CRV is looking much better. Really happy about that. I wasn't able to get to the very rear though today, so gonna have to do that in a future video and clean that mat with the oil on it. Now that the CRV is clean, going to enjoy driving the CRV even more, and I drive the CRV a lot, so it's going to make it a lot better to be in here. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. If you guys want to see more second gen lifted Honda CRV content, definitely hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.